Good day, everyone, and you are welcome to this ICT virtual class. Today is Wednesday, 1st July 2020, and the topic before us is typing text in a document. How to type text in a document. My name is Olusegun Adebanjo, your ICT instructor at KIF and KIN in Nursery and Primary School, Owode Ibeshe, Ikorodu. So you are welcome to class. We have about 3 learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, you say to yourself, I should be able to type text in a document, give basic meaning of the term word wrapping, then insert text in a document. So those are the 3 learning objectives that we will be considering today. So moving on, I have about 5 vocabulary words for you. The first one, insertion point. The second one, word wrapping. The third one, vertical. The fourth one, working area. And the last one, which is the 5th one, insert. So as we move on, those are the terms that we will be getting solutions to. Okay. The learning aid here, the white background with text written, that's our working area in any Microsoft Word environment, as we've learned earlier before now. And that's why those topics, they have to lead from one to the other. You are familiar with this environment before now, so that's the working area where the arrow is pointing. You can see the text type there. The white background is your working area. Okay, so the insertion point is where the cursor will start blinking by default, and once you type, it starts moving towards the right. So if you want to create text in between, so you have to place the cursor where you want the text to be inserted. Okay, the content is here. When you have written your date and your topic, so you write the content. In typing text in a document, the insertion point is the starting point, and it appears in form of a small vertical blinking line in the working area of the Microsoft Word screen. So let me come again. In typing text in a document, the insertion point is the starting point, and it appears in form of a small vertical blinking line in the working area of the Microsoft Word screen. So then, explaining the word wrapping now. Word wrapping is one of the features of Microsoft Word. It allows your text to automatically move to the next line when you have reached the end of the line. Okay, once you have reached the end of the line, you notice that your cursor will move to the next line on its own. That has to do with one of the features of Microsoft Word, which we call word wrapping. Now, so going to the practical session now. To insert text in a document, so we have to look at the following. After you have created a document, you are ready to start typing. I'm sure by now you should be able to know how to open to this page where you have your working area. So in case you don't know, there's just one shortcut. At the start button on the taskbar, there's a search button there. So just type in Microsoft Word, so it will pop up, then click on it, you get to this area, and there's another long process which we must have discussed before now. So it means that you start typing in your text. It says, observe a small vertical blinking line in the work area of word screen. This is the insertion point. Okay, it appears in the upper left corner of your word page. That's the word page, so upper left corner, you should know that. This is the point from where you start typing your text. Okay, the insertion point moves to the right as you type. I explained that earlier. Do not press Enter key. When you come to the end of the line, continue typing the text. The text will automatically move to the next line. This feature of Microsoft Word is called word wrapping. Okay, that feature is called word wrapping. So when you wish to start a new paragraph, you will press the Enter key. Let me read that to you again. For word wrapping, you don't have to press the Enter key, but in this case, if you wish to start a new paragraph, you will press the Enter key. So when you reach the end of a page, you will automatically move to the next page. Okay, I can't see that clearly. Yeah, the page. Okay, when you reach the end of a page, Word will automatically move to the next line. Okay. So now let's look at the following steps now. To the first one, that was typing text in a document. So now we want to look at how to insert text in a document. So to insert text in a document, follow the given steps. Step 1, place the cursor to the right of a character from where you want to start inserting the text. Step 2, type the text. Step 3, as you type the new text, the existing text moves to the right. If you wish to insert a blank line between two lines, then position the cursor to the end of the line, after which you want to insert a blank line, then press Enter. Okay, let me read that again. If you wish to insert a blank line between two lines, then position the cursor to the end of the line, after which you want to insert a black line, press Enter. I think with that we have come to the end of today's class. So welcome to the end of today's class. I sincerely encourage you to attend to your assignments. I realize so many of you have not been attending to your assignments. I don't know why. I know it's not been easy, but your assignments are there. It's very important you do attend to them. Okay, please find time to. Until I come your way again, keep staying at home and keep staying safe. Bye for now.